Access 2003, Course 7, Lesson 2. Data formatting, date, time, and logic category fields. In the field Date Time, 2 columns are rendered for each format. The first contains a complete name and the second is an example of this format. If you find nothing that suits you in existing templates, you can use the special Date Time format. Let's look at some of those formats. D indicates the day of the month, M, the month number, YY corresponds to the last 2 numbers of the year, H shows the number of hours, N shows the number of minutes, colon is used to separate each component of the time. To create a simple time-date, select a table. Click View to go to Design Mode. Select the field and in the section General, go to Field Size. Find the following symbols: YYYY-MM-DD. Save the table and click the View button to see the result. Logic category of the fields. The logic field category has a limited choice of formats. The pairs of values can only be true or false, yes or no, and turn on or turn off. Access 2003, Course 7, Lesson 3. Mask input by using the wizard. Masking data input allows you to display a template in the field where we can insert data. To create a mask with the wizard, do the following. Select a table you need from the list and open it in the Design View mode. In the column Field Name, click on the required Date Time type field. In the Field Properties pane, click in the field Input Mask. This will activate an arrow button to the right side of the field. Click on it. The window Input Mask Wizard will appear, offering a list of possible masks for the chosen field. Select a format and click Next. In the next window, you may change the symbols of the field. To do that, select a symbol from the list, click Next. The Input Mask Wizard window will notify you of the successful mask creation. Click Finish. The mask has been created successfully. Access 2003, Course 7, Lesson 4. Changing the table image, fixing and displaying columns. Access allows you to display and print out only the columns you need. Although you can hide the rest of the columns, they will be present in the table and the table's structure stays the same. To screen a column, do the following. Open the table you need by double-clicking. Highlight the column you want to hide by clicking once on its title. Go to the Format menu and select Hide Columns. The highlighted column will become invisible on the screen. To make the column visible again, go to Format and select Unhide Columns. Check the fields you want to display and click Close. The selected columns will be displayed. Access 2003, Course 7, Lesson 5. Choosing fonts in a table. All tables have their own default style. To change the font for all tables in the database, perform the following operation. In the Tools menu, choose Options. Select Datasheet in the opened window. In the section Default Font, you can choose the font and its parameters. You can change the font in a separate table by going to Font in the Format menu. In the new window, choose the desired font, font style, and size, as well as effects if necessary. Click OK. The entire table will change in accordance with the parameters you have chosen. Access 2003. Course 7, Lesson 6. Modifying column width and row height. To set a column's width, go to the window Column Width and do the following. From the Format menu, select Column Width. In this window, you may select one of the three ways to align a column. The first way is to enter manually the width. The second way is to set a standard column width by checking the option Standard. In the third way, the width is based on the size of the table. To do this, click on Best Fit. To set row height, go to Main Menu, then Format, then Row Height. In the new window, manually enter the height or set it as the default option by checking the option Standard. Click OK.